Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I personally fit these XLMoto side panniers to the Triumph Speed Twin. If that's something that interests you, then stick around and I'll show you how I do it. So when you get your XLMoto side panniers delivered, they'll come in a box with two panniers which just sling over the back of the seat, which is pretty straightforward. You also get in the box two short straps with a loop at each end, at one end, sorry, two of those, and you can also get, put that on the seat, two longer straps which connect at the middle. So it's up to you to decide which straps you're going to use. The side panniers don't come with any instructions. That's because they're universal and they should be able to attach to any bike. The XLMoto video on YouTube I found wasn't that great at explaining how to attach them to your bike. So it took me a little while to figure out, but I think I've come up with a pretty easy and quick way to attach these to the bike that is secure. So let's get into that now and I'll show you exactly how I do it. So the first thing that we've got to do is put the bags over the seat, which is pretty straightforward. Anyone can do that. So we'll just sling them over the back of the seat and we make sure that they're even and not obstructing anything. Indicators are easy enough to see. They're nice and even on each side. And the next thing we need to do then is decide which straps we're going to use and where we're going to attach it to the bike. So we'll do that now. So now the bags are in the position that I want them on the seat. I've decided to use the shorter straps with the hoops at the end, and it took me a few hours to figure this out and I wasn't sure what this bit was for. I just could not figure it out at all until it hit me and I managed to figure out what I'm supposed to do with it. Well, at least I think this is what I'm supposed to do with it, but it's secure, so that's all that matters to me. So this little bit here would go through the hoop here, and that's what keeps it in place. So first of all, I'm going to put it around the frame of the bike like this, in through the hoop, pull it tight, and then this bit will go through this hoop like so, and it acts as a catch there. So now I can tighten this to the bike toward how I want it, and then obviously we've got the bit hanging down here, but there is a handy little place for this to go, which is just in there to keep the strap out of the way, and that is nice and secure. And I would do the same on the other side, and then we'll come to the back of the bike to do the back of the panniers. One thing I did forget about is the extra strap that we get, and they're actually attached together, and I believe they came like that. So there's actually 5 straps in the box with these bags. This is the one that I use for securing the bags around the back of the bike, and it's the same principle as the ones on the side. So you've got these little clips here that go through the loops to secure it to the bag. So I put that one, make sure I've got this the right way around, put that one over through this bag, and then over the tail, and put the other one through the other loop on this bag. It's a bit fiddly, but it's easy enough. So now that I've got that over there, I can tighten them up to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. And then that should be about right. And then all I need to do now is get rid of this extra strap. So just use the clips that are provided. There should be another one here. On this side, just tuck them away nicely under the tail, and that is the bag secured to the bike at the back. Just make sure that they're nice and tight. That shouldn't go anywhere. Now this is the way that I've decided to do it. If you have another way, if you've got these bags and you know a different way of doing it, then please feel free to share that. I'll just show you how the bags look. So that's what it looks like at the back of the bike, with the strap connected to the hoop, going over the tail and under the light to the next bag. And on the side, you can see the strap there going around the frame, attached to the bag, and those bags are going nowhere. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got these bags and you're struggling to fit them to your bike, then hopefully that's given you some idea of how to do it. If you do it a different way and you have these same bags or similar bags, then please feel free to share that in the comments below. Be interested to see how you secure these bags to your bike. Thanks very much for watching. If you did like the video, please give us a like. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Until next time, safe riding. I'll speak to you soon.